David's Tech now. Hello friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to write emojis in Mac OS. First things first, like you would be thinking we are gonna go on a website and copy the emoji. But that's not what I'm thinking. So the thing I'm thinking is, like you can see I have the pen, the para. So it's your call where I try. So I'll just try it in Google Chrome. So first things you can do on a text area, just right click and go in emoji and symbols. You can select the emoji or you can go in edit and go in emoji and symbols. But if you don't want to click somewhere and do it from a keyboard shortcut, the simplest is Control Command Space. Control Command Space. Control is basically in Windows, but it's also used sometimes in Mac. So Control Command Space. Now for example, I select the goggles emoji and I click on enter. You can see face with sunglasses. Like this, much more you can get. And if I try it in some other area, like if I go in my mail, now I'll just click on compose mail. It's loading. So now I'll just maximize it simply and I can write it to myself. Like I'm not putting it to anybody. You can do emoji and symbols or Control Command Space. And I would like to send this emoji. And I can send it to myself. And the subject could be like Control Command Space. And then you can put this and then I can send and I get my own one, but it's transformed into the Google's inbuilt emojis because we are sending it through mail. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and more. So bye bye guys. Meet you in my next video. Bye.